I never thought of Gatesville, Texas having a high-tech wound center. But Dr. Gary Kramer, in my opinion, he's the best doctor as far as this that I've ever met in my life. I was impressed because I was born here in this hospital, but the old one. And when I come to the new hospital, I'm impressed. It's just like a state-of-the-art place now. Very beautiful place. Everybody here is nice. They take, they treat you like I said, like family, but like they really do care. A lot of hospitals don't. Right off the bat, James started working on the financial aspects of this, and they went to bat for me on that. And Clint is the one who runs the chamber here. We've actually become good friends, and then Dustin and Tiffany, and all the way to Stacy that runs the front desk. They treat you like they really care here, and they know they do. It's not a fake. So if I had to recommend any doctor for anything, it would be Dr. Gary Kramer. I don't care if I get my ear cut, I'm coming to him for that. He'll tell me where to go. So, can't say enough good things about him. Saved my life, probably. Hi folks, my name is Barry Baize. I'm from Crawford, Texas. I have been coming to the Coryell County Advanced Wound Care for about 4 months now. I was referred by a clinic in McGregor, Texas. Long story short, we started out, I'm diabetic. I've never had any problems in 21 years, but decided to go get a pedicure one day. The place in Waco, they cut my foot. My toe got infected. 4 surgeries later and 28 days in the hospital, they had to remove my big toe and the bone under it. Well, the bone under it was not taken off all of the way, and it's caused me some problems. Well, it wore a hole in the bottom of my foot. So when I get to the wound care center here in Gatesville, Texas, the first thing they talked about doing was taking my foot off 2 inches in front of my ankle, which devastates you, and you're panicking, and it affects all your qualities of life. And then Dr. Gary Kramer here, and James Connolly came to me, and they started talking about the hyperbaric chamber that you go in. I'd never heard of it in my life. After about 5 sessions in the hyperbaric chamber, and said, look, your foot's healing, so we're not going to cut your foot off now. Well, like I said, that's a major deal, in your life, I can't say enough good things about the hyperbaric chamber. It is a medical heal, but I would call it almost a holistic heal in a way, because what it does, it pressures your body down to like you're scuba diving. I think Clint said about 35 foot in the ocean, and puts the pressure on you. And you think about that makes all of your veins and everything put pressure on. And then when you breathe pure oxygen, I'm in there for 2 hours and 10 minutes every day, and when you're like, in my feet and stuff were so swollen before we started this, and now my feet look normal. They have the veins in them just like everybody else's and stuff, and that's what that pressurized does. It's like being in a pressure cooker. It pressures your body to heal. So I can't say enough good things about it. If I could afford one, I'd have one at my house. And there was a question I was reading, did this affect your life? Absolutely. I mean, I played golf twice a week. I sell ranches for a living, which it's hard sometimes to get around, but snow ski, water ski, got a houseboat, all kind of stuff, and yes, it's limited my life to, I haven't been in the water in 1.5 years because I don't want to get some kind of other fungus in there. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm on the road to healing, and we're just about through with it, and that's all I've got to say. Praise God.